As I had previously mentioned, I was 19 years old, and it was during a time when I was exploring different styles of hijab where they weren't choking my neck.
Mm-hmm.
I know that sounds pretty funny, but like when we want to have the smooth hijab lines, we got to like put it pretty tight. So I was just trying to, new fabrics, new styles, um, new textures. And anyway, so I started with my first hijab tutorial. I just made it in my bedroom here at my mom's house. I had like six girlfriends all around, like all my friends, and I had it. It was just the most amateur video, right? But I just did it to help so that I can give a link to the girls instead of actually having to remove my hijab and show them. And from that moment, I just shared it with my Facebook and my friends and family. And honestly, from the second video onward, I had made a second video, and from that moment forward, it went viral. It's nothing I had ever planned on doing. I was studying biology at the time, and I actually did graduate with a degree in biological sciences. But instead of pursuing the biology degree, I actually pursued social media because that's like I truly believe that that was God's path for me. I feel like everything that has come in my way has
So
been a
you took a
blessing from
degree
Allah.
in social media?
Not at all. Not
Oh,
at all. I
oh,
should have
you just
for
became an
business.
expert in social media.
No, I had to learn along the way. SubhanAllah, it's unbelievable. Like it's nothing that was in my plan, but Allah put it in my path.
Mm-hmm.
So I, till this day, I'm still learning, right? It's still a growing path for me. It's been, oh my God, 20, okay, so it's been like what, 11 years practically? Oh no, more, 12, 13 years since I started my first YouTube.
Wow.
Um, yeah, so I guess it was also during, not that I guess, it was a fact that it was during a point when there weren't too many hijabi Muslims online
Mm-hmm.
um, showing hijab styles or doing anything related to modest fashion. So I guess you can say I was one of the first ones. Alhamdulillah, that was a blessing because compared to social media now, it's a mixture of people from around the world, right? Whereas it was more selective, and you got to, I guess, not to say that you got to have your influence spread out uh, more rapidly. But I guess in a way you can say that because there weren't so many people or women on social media doing modest fashion, you know, you were you caught the eye of a lot of different brands and opportunities and stuff like that. And alhamdulillah, I've been truly blessed to like um, have many opportunities. And every opportunity that comes my way, I say it's Allah's blessing because He truly brings it towards my path, including this interview. So I'm so grateful to be here.
Good. So tell
Alhamdulillah.
us, so what